As a kid, my grandfather had this wonderful old paneled library, and I would go in there, and he had this book that was written the Second World War called The Textbook of Medicine by Cecil. And I remember opening it up, and I would flip through it and look at all these these horrible orthopedic maladies, and I was fascinated. I was an athlete in college and high school, and of course suffered a few athletic injuries myself, and and got interested in sports medicine probably through that. Whether it's taking care of an 8-year-old who fell out of a tree and setting their fracture and putting them in a cast, or reconstructing the ACL of a collegiate soccer player, or taking care of my 7-year-old patient and replacing her hip. I mean, all of it's that wide variety and interaction that makes orthopedics fascinating and wonderful for me. I sometimes get letters from notes from patients, thankful notes, and it's really humbling and gratifying. And I love them, and I keep every one of them. While the Institute's really about great orthopedic care, it's more importantly about making patients feel comfortable. Not a number, you're part of our family. The vision of all of this came from my partner, Craig Farrell. He hired me out of residency and is really one of my heroes. In his clinic, patients and staff were all family. And I think that is Dr. Farrell's vision, and I think that's what's unique about the Bone and Joint Institute of Tennessee. I have a beautiful wife and 2 children and 2 dogs, and that keeps us really busy. I enjoy fly fishing, I enjoy bird hunting, I enjoy hiking, camping, canoeing, basically anything outdoors. And as we were talking about, I've recently got into to tennis and some woodworking, but I need a lot of help on both those.